Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that in our last class I have given you one home assignment, that is from question number 3 part 3, which is from exercise 4.4. So I'm going to solve that, as because most of the students were having a problem, so again I'm repeating this, and along with this I'll be doing one more question, that is question number 4 from exercise 4.4, and this will be the final question from our exercise. Then we will proceed with the next exercise or next chapter. Okay, so question number 3 part 3 here it is: people of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. Okay, some of the trees. Suppose this was the tree here. These are the tree here. Some of the tree are the trees which gives us fruit, like apple, mango, those type of trees. And the number of non-fruit trees, there are other type of fruit trees which doesn't give any fruit to us, that is called non-fruit trees. Suppose these two are the non-fruit trees here. Now the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. What was the number of the fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? If in altogether the non-fruit trees was 77, what are the number of fruit trees that you have to find? So in order to find this, let the number of fruit trees be x. We don't know what are the number of the fruit trees, but it is given that the total number of non-fruit trees planted was 77. Okay, so altogether 77 plants are non-fruit trees. Now according to the question, let us find the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number, right? 3 more than number of fruit trees. So we know that number of fruit tree is x. So it, according to the question, we can say that 2 more than 3 times the number. 3 times the number, 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees will be leading to give us 77. So let me erase this and write here is equal to 77. So I hope this is clear to you all, that 3 times the number of fruit trees, 3 times the number of fruit trees more than 3 times, sorry, 2 more than, it is 2 more than means plus 2 will gives us total non-fruit trees. Now it's very easy to find out. You all know how to find it. Is equal to 77 minus 2 we have to do, is equal to 3x is equal to 75 it is now. Now divide 3 on both sides. Dividing 3 on both sides, we get 3x divided by 3 is equal to 75 divided by 3. Now you start dividing. 3 gets cancelled out. Now the value of x is, let us divide this. 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. So the value is 25 only, right? So what are the number of fruit trees compared to the non-fruit tree, which was 77? So therefore number of fruit trees planted is equal to 25 number of fruit trees was planted on that day. Okay, very easy, isn't it? Very simple thing. Just you have to understand the statement what is said there. They have said that the number of non-fruit trees were, that means total is 77. They have given a word 2 more, that's why plus 2 is there, 3 times the number. So you can write this in this form also. 2 more the 3 times the number, you can write in this form also. Okay, don't get confused. Just make it very simple and frame the equations, get the value. Okay, proceeding to the next question, which will be the last question from this chapter, that is question number 4. Solve the following riddle. This is a riddle given here, that is a type of a stanza or a poem. Now you have to frame an equation using this riddle. Okay, I am a number, we don't know what is that number. Tell my identity. You have to tell what is the number actually, what is the identity of that number. Take me 7 times over, okay, and add 50. To reach a triple century you still need 40. It's very simple, very simple. So first of all, we don't know the number, so let the, I'm a number, so let the number be x. We don't know, right, that number, so let the number be x. Tell my identity. We have to find the value of x, that is identity. Take me 7 times over, take me 7 times over and add 50 to it. 7 times over the number means 7 into x plus 50, and to reach triple century you still need 40. So to reach triple century, you know that in our last class I have told you regarding Rahul and Sachin's score, right? Triple century is 100 into 3, that is 300. So to reach this 300 you still need to add 40 on this number. Simple, isn't it? So you just frame an equation 7x plus 40 plus 50 is 50 plus 40 is 90, which is equal to 300. Now 7x is equal to 300 minus 90. Now 7x is equal to 300 minus 90 is equal to 210. Now you have to find the number, you have to give the identity of this number. So dividing 7 on both sides, 7 on both sides, we get 7x divided by 7 is equal to 210 divided by 7. 7 gets cancelled out. Now the value of the x will be, just divide this, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, so the value of x is 30 here. So what is the unknown number? Therefore the number is 30. Right? Very simple, very easy. I hope you people understood this. So this much for today, student. As we are over with the exercise, right, as we are over with the chapter simple equation, I hope you people understood each and every sums, right? Having any problem, feel free to share with me. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.